In this video, I will show you how to edit like this trending image with your owner name and owner design. First, go to Google and search Bing Image Creator. Touch the link to go to website. Touch Join and Create. If you have a Microsoft account, you can log in. If you haven't account, touch Create One and create a new Microsoft account. Get the verification code in your mail inbox. Verification is complete. Write this prompt code in here. Download image in this download icon. You can change the prompt code and generate you want images.
Thank you watching my video. Subscribe my channel.